In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business hours to Squarespace. This process involves a few straightforward steps that will leave your website looking professional and fully functional. To start, you'll need to visit a site called Common Ninja. It's a great resource that provides all sorts of widgets to enhance your website's features in just a few clicks. Once you're on the Common Ninja homepage, you're going to want to locate Widgets Plus. This is the hub where you can find an array of exciting and useful widgets to add to your site. Start by giving Hours a quick search in the search bar. This will quickly lead you to the exact widget you need, the Opening Hours widget. Once you've clicked on Opening Hours, you're one step closer to displaying your business hours on your website. Next up, click on Create Opening Hours widget. Here is where you can customize your business hours to fit your exact needs. You can specify the days of operation and adjust the times accordingly. After you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click Publish to make the widget ready for the next steps. Now that your widget is ready, you'll want to save it by clicking Save Widget. This step ensures all the details you've input, like your business hours, are securely stored. You'll also be prompted to select a folder where this widget will be saved. Picking the right folder will help keep your digital workspace organized, especially if you have multiple widgets or plugins within Common Ninja. With everything saved, click on Save Changes to lock in those hours permanently. Now you'll need to grab the code snippet that will allow you to embed the widget into your Squarespace site. Look out for the Copy Code option and click it. This copies the HTML code to your clipboard, making it ready for later use. Next, move over to your Squarespace site. Click on Adblock and find the option to embed. In this section, you'll see Edit. By clicking on Edit, you're able to customize where the widget will appear on your site. Then look for Code Snippet and choose Embed Data. This is where the copied code from Common Ninja will go. Paste it in the space provided to generate a live snapshot of your business hours directly onto your Squarespace page. Finally, click Save to lock in all the changes you've made. This action completes the process, ensuring your business hours are now visible and easy to find for your visitors. With these simple, seamless steps, you've successfully integrated essential information right onto your website, enhancing the user experience with clarity and precision. Enjoy the newfound functionality and let your visitors know exactly when you're open for business.